Got Chris, I got the target. That's it. 5, 6, 7. That was more than 5, but it's hot.
10 rounds.
All right, man. Yeah. There you go. This is Chris walking back up with his gun. This is Chris waiting.
Miss! 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 Ready?
Yeah.
That wasn't as cool as I hoped. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn! I don't miss. I don't miss.
Oh, that was cool.
Daniel's first Christmas. I mean 30th Christmas, sorry.
Ready?
Yeah. Hit cock 45. I won't go. Might as well record it all. Till my phone fills up. Can't hold no more. I finally see the back of the line. Good God, I've been here for a long time. Finally, good God. I wish I would have started recording that sooner. That was pretty cool, but good God, it was annoying. Trying to hurry and go somewhere. Oh well, that's the end of it.